Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the open canthus feature on the CapCut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the edit button down below and then select your project. Tap on the edit button down below and find the reshape or retouch option. Tap on face down below and select reshape at the top. Tap on the eyes subcategory and then go to tap on the open canthus feature. Zoom into your eyes and you can use the slide at the bottom of the page to see how this adjustment is made. So when you're done, tap on the check mark icon down below to save the changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.